Okay, we dug up the potatoes. We got our red Pontiac, got a whole crate of those. Dug them up. Got the Yukon Gold, about 3/4 of a crate. And we got the red Lesotho, whole crate of those. Guys, I'm sorry I didn't get to video while we were picking the potatoes, but it was hot out there today. But I mean, we got some beautiful potatoes. First time ever growing. No, I'll take that back. I've tried before, but first time ever harvesting. They've always rotted in the ground before I got to pick. But unfortunately, for the bees, we're having a dry spring, but good for the potatoes. All right, fellas, thanks for watching. Cajun Home